Hi, my name's Glenn. Welcome back to our Delta Scientific YouTube channel. Today I'd like to talk about vehicle detection loops and loop detectors themselves. This one here is the EDI LMA1250 low voltage loop detector. You can see it's got a digital display to display the quality of detection. I'm going to demonstrate with this coil of wire and this metal object. This is picking up here, and you can see output A is demonstrating detection. We would use this for a safety device for our barrier systems. We can also use it to help automate our systems by resetting after the vehicle leaves with an auxiliary output. You can adjust the sensitivity by pushing down or up on the arrows.
Drop a comment below with the question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.